Racking your beer with Pico. You will need your Pico unit, a brewing keg of fermented beer, clean empty brewing keg, transfer tube, keg wands, waste container, and food grade sanitizer. Take your empty brewing keg and sanitize it. Pour 1.5 cups of clean tap water into the brewing keg, along with 1.5 cups of 3% hydrogen peroxide. If using Star San or other food grade sanitizer, follow the manufacturer's instructions for use. Insert the metal keg lid to the brewing keg, seat it, clamp it down, and shake it all around. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dump the keg contents into a large bowl and rinse the keg with clean water. Attach the keg wands to both ball lock fittings of the transfer tube. Soak the transfer tube for 5 minutes in the sanitizing solution you poured into the bowl. Then rinse with clean water. On the Pico screen, select Utilities, then select Rack Beer. Step-by-step instructions can be seen on the Pico display. You'll press the control knob between each step. Connect a keg wand to the gray ball lock connector and direct the keg wand into a waste container. Press the control knob to clear the drain hose. When liquid stops flowing into the waste container, press the control knob to stop the pump. This should take no longer than 1 minute. Disconnect the keg wand from the gray ball lock. Now insert the metal keg lid with the red fast fermentation adapter onto the brewing keg of fermented beer. Seat it and clamp it down. Do not use the black rubber keg seal for this process. Connect the gray ball lock connector to the in keg post of the brewing keg. This will pressurize the brew keg with air. Next, connect the transfer tube to the outpost of each brewing keg. Pull up the gray pressure relief valve and turn the ring 90 degrees in any direction to release built-up pressure and create a steady flow of beer. Press the control knob twice to begin transferring your beer from the brewing keg to the clean keg that you will use for serving. Do not leave this unattended. If you see air entering the lines, then press the control knob to stop the pump. The transfer is complete. Disconnect the transfer tube from the brewing keg and detach the gray ball lock connector from the brewing keg. Turn the gray pressure relief valve back 90 degrees to close. Wash and rinse your now empty brewing keg, metal keg lid, keg wands, and transfer tube.